Today, I'll walk you through how to make an Elementor container full width, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your container settings so you can create stunning, full-width layouts for your website. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by entering your website URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your control center for managing your site. Next, click on Pages in the left sidebar. This will take you to a list of all the pages on your site. Think of it as your website's table of contents. Now find the page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open the Elementor editor, where all the magic happens. It's like stepping into a creative workshop where you can design your page visually. Once you're in the Elementor editor, look for the outer box of the container you want to adjust. You can click directly on this box, or if you prefer, you can also click on the 6 dots that appear when you hover over the container. This will select the container you want to modify. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Elementor panel. Here, click on Content Width. This setting controls how wide your container will be. It's similar to adjusting the width of a canvas before you start painting. Now change the box setting to Full. This will stretch your container to the full width of the page, allowing your content to shine without any unnecessary margins. Always remember to check the preview to see how your changes look. Once you're satisfied with the result, save your work by clicking on Publish. This step is crucial. It's like sealing your artwork in a frame to showcase it to the world. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Elementor updates frequently and the core functionality remains the same. In summary, making an Elementor container full width is a straightforward process. You simply navigate to your page, enter the Elementor editor, select your container, adjust the content width, and publish your changes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.